Today I want to share with you a recipe for these delicious mini lemon muffins. It's a recipe my mom has been making for years, but she makes them as Madeleines. I didn't have Madeleine forms, but I still wanted to be able to eat these, so I adapted it to be able to use muffin pans, which I already had. All right, here we go. Your main ingredients are going to be flour, sugar, butter, and eggs. And you're also going to need some salt and lemon zest. I've been using this packaged lemon zest I found, which I really like because it doesn't have any artificial ingredients. You can, of course, also use an actual lemon, but if you do that, I would make sure it's an organic one. The first step is to beat the eggs with the sugar and salt until it's foamy and white. I've sped up the video a little here, but you can see here what the texture looks like. Next, you're going to slowly mix in the melted butter, then mix in the flour, and the lemon zest. Next time I'm going to put the lemon zest in a little bowl, but I ran out of little bowls, so I used my hand, which was not the best idea. Then you're going to keep mixing everything nicely until it's all blended, and then you're ready to fill your muffin pan. I did slightly butter it, and I filled each mold about halfway. Then you're going to bake the muffins for 10 to 12 minutes in your preheated oven at about 340 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, we did it. I hope your muffins are delicious. Let me know how they came out in the comments, and be sure to subscribe to see what I'm up to next.